adenko Masuka nunyi horonya ye Niminku mimanya Okamunyu sininanya
Fox News in the morning.
Technology used by NASA is now popular in the chiropractor's office. Stay with us as Fox News in the morning continues. Pro Adjuster was first developed by NASA to evaluate whether the rivets of the space shuttle could withstand the vibration of takeoff and landing. Then the technology was used to test metal fatigue on aircraft. And now an engineer has made it work for the human body. Used on the neck or spine, the Pro Adjuster is designed to evaluate body alignment. Chiropractors have to be licensed to operate it, and it works on kids and adults.
There's actually a sensor in here, and the purpose of the sensor is to determine whether or not there's normal motion occurring in the spine. And then that information gets relayed to the computer, and a graph shows up on the computer. A bell-shaped curve, like these, would indicate normal motion. Anything other than a bell-shaped curve would indicate an area where a joint wasn't moving properly.
It's helpful for the patient who can see on screen what needs to be changed.
We started this practice doing manual adjusting. I have no problem doing manual adjusting. However, once patients try this out, we really haven't had anyone that wants to go back.
And many patients seem to prefer the Pro Adjuster.
Entertainment. This is Good Day New York.
Take a look at the Pro Adjuster, folks. Technology born and raised by NASA. Designed to detect flaws in the wings of aircraft, software like this is now used to scan the human spine, searching for the source of common back pain. Marketed as the Pro Adjuster, this handheld device allows chiropractors to bring pressure to bear on the neck and back.
I'm going to use the Pro Adjuster to do a scan first of your neck. I'll be using a 6-pound percussive force, so just feel that. Okay, you felt that? Yes. Now what I'm doing is I'm checking each individual vertebra in order to see which ones have to be treated.
This is Chicago's #1 news. ABC 7 News at 10.
Tonight's special segment, chiropractic treatments and computers. Can computers improve on a century-old healing technique that relies on skilled human hands? Well, several Chicago area chiropractors are using an electronic device that locates the trouble spot in your spine, then fixes it. Health Beat reporter Sylvia Perez joins us with more on this new technology. Sylvia?
John and Diane, the device is called the Pro Adjuster, and some chiropractors believe it is a gentler, more accurate approach than traditional hands-on treatments.
I want you to take a deep breath and let it all the way out.
This is a traditional chiropractic adjustment. And this is the Pro Adjuster. It's computer-assisted technology that pinpoints spinal misalignment. It not only finds the problem, it fixes it.
This technology brings chiropractic care to a whole new level of precision.
At the Gladstone Chiropractic Center, they've been using the Pro Adjuster for about a year. Most of the patients were allowed to choose between the machine and its human counterpart. The machine won, hands down.
I really enjoy it, and I enjoy that I'm not twisted around when you're uncomfortable enough anyway. You're sitting there, and the machine does the work.
So how does it do the work? To understand, you first need to know a little about chiropractic. Practitioners say it is a way of maintaining health by making sure the spine is properly adjusted. It's used to treat everything from back pain to headaches. Chiropractors adjust the spine by feeling, twisting, and pushing. The Pro Adjuster promises the same results without all that manipulation. While a patient sits with their back slightly curved, a chiropractor works the sensor head down the spine as it uses echoes to analyze each part of the vertebrae. It detects if something is off and then calculates and delivers a vibration to the area that needs treatment.
When she demonstrated the machine to me, it seemed like it was going to be really intense, but when they put it on your back and it vibrates, it hardly feels like anything. It feels like somebody tapping you on the shoulder.
It's something different for patients, and it's something where we know we're very precise and very accurate with what we're doing.
Lola denko Masuka nunyi horonya ye